I have been making vision board each year since 2020, and I won't lie, but each year I literally achieve the things that I desire, become the person that I didn't believe that I potentially could be. When I look back few years ago, I cannot believe that the things that I desired back then is literally happened and is my reality now. It feels unreal to me, and to be honest, having a vision board also helps my dream life to happen faster than just working and not knowing where I'm heading in life. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Aphrodite Angel. Today we're going to talk about how to make a vision boards efficiently, a step-by-step tutorial to make yours, some common mistakes to avoid so that your vision board can come true. Everything about vision board 101. Let's get started. How vision boards work. A vision board is more than just a collage of images and words. It's a visual representation of your dream life. It reflects your specific goals, desires, aspiration, a mixture of pictures, affirmations, and words that embody exactly what you want from your life. Now, why does it work? Because creating a vision board forces you to think deeply about what you truly want. When you look at your vision board daily, your brain gets immersed in the reality of having the things that you want. It helps you clarify your goals and serves as a constant reminder to stay focused. Over time, as you consistently look at your vision board, it begins to influence your subconscious mind. Your mind starts seeking opportunities and pathways that align with the dream that you have put on that board. Scientific research shows that visualizing success helps your brain create new neural pathways. These pathways influence your behavior and push you toward the actions you need to take to achieve your goals. So, in simple terms, your vision board helps your brain and your body work together to make your dreams come true. For me personally, it has been a game changer. Every time that I create a vision board, it feels like I unlock a new level in my life, achieving goals that I never thought possible. Why? Because it plants a seed of belief in my mind, a seed that says, I can do this. A vision board reminds us to focus not on our limitations, but on our potential. It challenges us to imagine, believe, and take action toward a life that excites us. So I encourage you, take your time to dream, create your own vision board, and fill it with the life that you have always imagined. Let it guide you toward building habits, seeking opportunities, and unlocking the greatness that lies within you. Because your dream life is waiting, so it just needs a vision to become reality. Okay, so this is step-by-step tutorial. Now I'm gonna give you a step-by-step tutorial how to successfully manifest your desires using a vision board. Let's talk about how to create a vision board efficiently. First off, you need to get serious about your goals. To start, split all your goals into different categories. Think of your life as a whole and make sure that you include what truly matters to you. This will help you focus on all different areas of your life: career, financially goals, hobbies, relationship goals, family, friends, or romantic relationship, traveling, self growth, everything. Next thing, you need to be specific. The key with writing down these goals is to dream big, but also focus on what you can achieve in a time frame. I make a vision board for each year, so every single goal is just about what I'm going to achieve in that year and no other time. So that has a huge impact on my life. By focusing exclusively on what I want to achieve within that specific year, it ensures me to dive deeper into each goal, squeezing out all the potential from that year and fully utilizing the time and the resource I have available. When you limit your vision board to a 1 year time frame or maybe 2 year time frame, you are forced to prioritize. You start asking yourself, what truly matters this year. What are the goals that I can and I need to achieve right now? This mindset shifts you into action mode because dreaming big within a set time frame creates a sense of urgency. For example, if I have a specific target, instead of saying I want to save money, I be more specific like I will save 10k dollars by December 2025. I will go to Bali in August. When you're this clear by putting them in writing, you're not just setting goals, you are planning your year in advance. It transforms abstract ideas into tangible milestones that you're driven to accomplish before the year ends. This will help you prioritize your goals and break them into smaller and actionable steps. What steps do I need to take to achieve this financial goal? What will I focus on in January, in March, and so on? I break down the larger goal into monthly or even weekly commitments, making the process feel more manageable and realistic. So, by doing this, I'm not just wishing for success, I'm committing to it. Writing down your goals on a vision board is like saying to yourself, this is what I want, and this is how I'm going to achieve it. This is how I'm going to make it happen. You're solidifying your commitment to those goals. And the beauty of this system is that it keeps you focused and accountable throughout the year. When you look at your vision board, it's not just a reminder of your dreams, it's a plan of action, urging you to keep moving forward and make every moment of the year count. Write your goals in present tense. This is a huge trick for manifestation. Write as if you already have what you want. Instead of saying, I will travel, say, I'm traveling to Italy. Instead of saying, I want to wake up early, say, I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. This shifts your mindset and helps you mentally adopt the behavior that align with your goals. Step 4, choose your pictures. Now it comes to the fun part. See, this is why I love doing vision boards so much because I get to be creative, have fun with my imagination. Me, I use Pinterest, Google Images, magazines, even like my screenshots from Instagram or TikTok. Literally anything that is a picture represents my goals. For each goal, find one or two images to align each of the goals that you have written down. If your goals is financial success, find an image of a bank account balance or money. If you want to travel, pick a picture of the exact destination that you want to visit. When you choose pictures, keep referring back to your list. Go through one by one with each goal. 5. Avoid common mistakes. These are mistakes to avoid because a lot of people do the wrong thing, and that's why none of their thing on their board ever came true. First thing first is focusing too much on aesthetic. Listen, it's great if your vision board looks pretty, but it's more important that it reflects your personal goals than just a color coordinated board. These pictures should be focused on representing your goals and are personal to you. Me personally, I don't care if it's a picture that I photoshopped it myself and it looks clearly that I have photoshopped it, but it has to be representing my desire. One of the main reasons why your vision board doesn't work is you want to achieve people's goals, not your goals. You want something because you see people achieve them and they're happy, but the goal isn't something that makes you feel connected to it. Let's say that you put a picture of someone traveling to Italy because you want to manifest a trip to Italy. When do you want it to happen? How is gonna happen? How is gonna make you feel when you're in Italy? Don't just put a picture just because it must spark something in you. Don't just put a picture with a quote happiness, but select images that represent happiness to you. Could be family dinner, could be traveling by yourself, what happiness feels to you. It must be personal. The third mistakes I want to mention is no personal connection. When you have selected these pictures, Photoshop them, to insert yourself in these images. Your name, your information. Pick point of view pictures as if you were the one in the picture and as if you were the one who taking it. You are not going to pick a picture of someone in a car that you want to have, but you need to pick a picture of someone sitting in the car, driving the car, and taking picture inside of the car. You need to be able to put yourself into those images. Otherwise, you're just looking at pictures of people living out your dreams. The next step is assemble your vision board. Now it's time to put everything together. Arrange your pictures in a way that makes sense to you. You can make a physical board as usual. To me, I make a digital one. The image represents your biggest goal, should be in the middle of the board, surrounded by other images. What is more important to you, you should arrange them in the middle part of the board. Step 7. Put it where you see it. Make sure that you put your vision board somewhere that you see it daily. Could be a bedroom or it could be your laptop wallpaper. The last thing is take action. This is the most important part in making your vision board come true. Be intentional. Your vision board is a tool, but you need to take action to make it come true. It's not just looking at a picture and suddenly one day you become a millionaire. As I said earlier, your vision board influences your behavior and push you toward the actions that you need to take to achieve your goals. Here are 3 ways to make your vision board work. The first thing is visualizing. Spend few minutes each day imagining how it feels to have everything on your board. The second one is speak it into existence. Talk about your goals as if they are already happening. Last thing is to feel it. When you think about your goals, focus on the excitement and the gratitude of already having them. For example, if I think of a car that I have always wanted it, I'll feel so nervous for the first time that I got it. I feel so nervous for the first time that I see the car. I'll feel so excited to drive them around the town. And that's it for today. This is everything I know about how to create a vision board that can help you manifest all of your desires. Remember, it's not just about putting pictures on a board, it's about creating a clear vision, taking intentional action, and believing in your ability to achieve your dreams. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.